students, good morning. Today we are discussing the name of subject is hospital and clinical pharmacy. In this subject we study what is hospital and what are the internal environment of the hospitals with community pharmacy, how the hospital pharmacy connect with the community. So, in the hospital and clinical pharmacy, there are certain major points which we will discuss one by one. The first one is called preparation of transfusion fluid. What is preparation of transfusion fluid? Means the sterile preparations like IV fluids which are being manufactured in the hospital and what are the conditions that will be required. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ट्रांसफ्यूजन फ्लूइड के लिए कोई भी आईवी फ्लूइड जिसको हम हॉस्पिटल के अंदर कंपाउंड करते हैं और पेशेंट को डिस्पेंस करते हैं, तो उसकी जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है और प्रिपरेशन जो कि हॉस्पिटल के अंदर की जाती है, विल स्टडी वन बाय वन. इन दैट फर्स्ट वन क्या है? वॉशिंग एंड क्लीनिंग ऑफ द कंटेनर अलॉन्ग विद द क्लोजर. जो ट्रांसपेरेंट फ्लूइड के लिए हमने कंटेनर यूज़ करना है उसको प्रॉपर वे के साथ क्लीन कीजिए और क्लोजर भी उसके साथ वेल क्लीन होना चाहिए. इन अदर वर्ड्स, वॉश द ग्लास बॉटल्स, rubber closer with detergent, free flowing water, followed by rinsing them with water for injection. In that we are not use simple water. Here we will use water for injection, either washing or it may be cleaning of the container. Second point, the container further drying and sterilize. In that point, sterilize the dried bottles and closure by autoclaving at a 120 degree centigrade for 15 minutes. The third point is weighing ingredients and mixing. Weight the required quantity of ingredient or ingredients and dissolve it in sufficient quantity of water for injection to make the solution up to stated volume. जो इंग्रेडिएंट हम आईवी फ्लूइड के यूज़ करते हैं उनको वेट द ईच इंग्रेडिएंट properly and mix in the sufficient quantity to make up the volume. To make up the volume means जो प्रिपरेशन हम 100 ml के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं या 500 ml के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं या 1000 ml और 1 liter. Fourth point here is that is called filtration. Filtration filter the above prepared solution with suitable filter media. For example, sintered glass filter, bacteria proof membrane. These are the two things which we have to filtrate. Then fifth point is filling and sealing. Fill and seal the prepared solution by a dried sterilized glass bottle and place the rubber cloth. Sterilization. Sterilization means sterilize the filled and sealed bottles by autoclaving at 120 degree centigrade for 15 minutes or any other suitable method of sterilization depending on the nature of product. कॉमनली जो स्टरलाइजेशन है, जो 4 steps we are used above, or filled and sealed container are sterilized by autoclaving. It may be changed for sterilization method also. Labeling. Label the container in a proper manner. Labeling जो है वो एक important point in transfusion fluid, means the label must be in a proper manner. The last point for the preparation of transfusion fluid, we having evaluation. Evaluation means the finished or prepared formulation must comply with the limits which are mentioned in the pharmacopoeia. In the evaluation, the product should comply the test and standard as specified in the Indian Pharmacopoeia in 1996 edition. So, we will discuss this part in the flow diagram for the infusion. Now, here are certain another point which are generated in the preparation of fluid. Here we study what is a transfusion fluid, what are the use of transfusion fluid, and what is the isotonicity. So, in the transfusion fluid nothing but a large volume parenterals. Large volume parenterals means it may be 100 ml, or it may be 500 ml, or it may be 1000 ml, which are intended to administer by intravenous route of administration and is called transfusion fluid. The use of transfusion fluid, it is a electrolyte replenisher. It will provide the nutrition and in poisoning to promote the diuresis. This about a basic concept regarding the preparation of transfusion fluid. Another very important after the first part, we having a testing of the raw material used in the preparation of transfusion fluid. Means we have to test what are the raw material used in the preparation. In that, first we having a object testing of water for injection and raw material used in the preparation of transfusion fluid. There are number of chemicals like potassium chloride, alkaline, silver nitrate, diphenamine, sulfuric acid, barium chloride, potassium permanganate, methyl blue or methyl red, etc. What is the principle behind the testing of raw material? The water for injection what we use is a non-pyrogenic. The water for injection is a non-pyrogenic used in the preparation of medicine for parenteral administration. These drug means जो प्रिंसिपल इसके बिहाइंड है, वाटर फॉर इंजेक्शन जिसको हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो नॉन पैरोजेनिक होना चाहिए. नाउ द होल प्रोसेस मीन्स water for injection must comply with the tests described under the Indian Pharmacopoeia. Now, what are the various tests come under this topic? These are, first one is called a test for acidity or alkalinity, test for ammonia, test for chloride, test for sulfate, test for oxidizable substance, and nitrates. So these tests are performed to confirm the suitability of the product. Now, certain reagents which are used for these purposes, this is called potassium mercury iodide solution, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. So, in the another main point behind that, we will discuss one by one. To testing the raw material, here we use number of instruments to detect the any impurities in the parental preparations. For that application, first of all, we use flame photometer and Coral Fisher apparatus. These are in the use. In that, the most important part, the container or closure, which is used for that purpose. So, there are three type of glasses which are used as a container for the parental preparation. In the glass type 1, it is a neutral glass and possesses a high hydrolytic resistance. Type 2 glass, it has also a high hydrolytic resistance due to an appropriate surface treatment. Glass 3, it offers only a moderate hydrolytic resistance. It is a soda lime silica glass. This type of glass is a soda lime silica glass. Now, the next point is sterilization. In the sterilization of instrument, either it may be a surgical instrument or any other instrument. In case of surgical instrument, the sterilization of surgical instrument are sterilized by dry heat method in hot air oven. इन अदर वर्ड, जब भी कोई सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट को हमने स्टरलाइज करना है, उसके लिए जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं हॉट एयर ओवन, विच विल बी डन बाय ड्राई हीट मेथड. In that, the procedure behind that, first one, washing of the instrument, wrapping, loading, operation and cooling time. These are the 5 points which are undertaken in the sterilization of surgical instrument. The surgical instrument, for example, like cutter, scissor, tongue forceps, needle holder, needle and scissors. These are the types which are being done under that process. Now the point is, what is sterilization? The meaning of sterilization is a process by which all viable form of the microorganism, including their spore, are removed or killed from the preparation or article. स्टरलाइज को जो हम डिफ़ाइन करते हैं तो इसको डिफ़ाइन करने के लिए ये है, इस प्रोसेस से किसी भी तरह का जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है, type of or form of microorganism with their spore, it will be removed from the preparations or the article. Now the sterilization is divided, or the method which are applicable under this point. These are mainly two methods. First one is called physical method, second one is called chemical method. In the physical method, we use dry heat sterilization, moist heat sterilization, or sterilization by radiation. Second, chemical sterilization. Chemical sterilization, gaseous sterilization, sterilization by disinfectants, and the last third point, the sterilization is carried out by the mechanical methods which are used for the sterilization. Now there are two values, these are called D value and Z value. In case of D value, that means decimal reduction time, decimal reduction time, this time is in minute, this time is minute, required to reduce number of viable organism by 90%. Now the Z value, the change in the temperature, required to alter the D value by a factor of 10. In other words, जो changing in the temperature alter the D value by a factor 10. The another part in like gaseous, these are two types, that is called wet stream or a dry stream. The wet stream is produced from a boiler contain large number of entertained droplet of the water. Now the another aspects like evaluation of the surgical dressing. Surgical dressing. The evaluation of surgical dressing. That means the examination of the sample of absorbed cotton for acidity, alkalinity, identification and surface active substances. There is a principle behind that. The principle behind that, the absorbent cotton. The absorbent cotton is a white, soft, well carded fiber containing not more than trace of the leaf residue. Now another part, we evaluate absorbed cotton for the naps and evaluation for the absorbency of the cotton. Absorbency of the cotton. Now, the point which is generated, the point behind the evaluation of surgical drug, here we have to see first what is surgical dressing and what are the need behind the evaluation of surgical dressing. The surgical dressings are mainly following type, means first one is called fibers, second fabric, third bandage, fourth rubber and oil in impregnated material. So what are fibers? Absorbent cotton and silk are the example of fibers. The example for the fabric: absorbent lint, absorbent ribbon gauze, bandage, crepe bandage, elastic bandage. Next, fourth point, for example, the rubber and oil in pregnant method, in that belladonna self-adhesive plaster. The belladonna self-adhesive plaster is used for the type of a surgical dressing. The another definition behind that is called naps. What is a naps? Naps are entangled mass. Naps are entangled mass of fiber visible to naked eye. Excess moisture content give rise to more number of naps. It's an official test. Now, the biological source of the absorbent cotton. What is the biological source behind the absorbent cotton? That is, it consists of epidermal hairs of the seed, gossypium, and other species belong to Mollusc species. Gossypium or Mollusc species, these are the two types of the formulation by which the absorbent cotton will be manufactured. Now, the uses of the surgical dressing. It favors healing of the wound, physical protection to the wound, and mechanical support to the surrounding tissue. Now, the standards for surgical gauze, which is under the British Pharmacopoeia, which is an official, and what is a difference between a surgical gauze and a bandage. The surgical gauze official cylinder, threads per 10 centimeter, weight per unit area, yarn number, and the minimum breaking load. These are the few standards of a surgical gauze. Next, the handling and use of data processing equipment. This is the what is the use of computer in pharmacy. इन द इस टॉपिक के अंदर जो कंप्यूटर का यूज़ हम हॉस्पिटल फार्मेसी या यूज़ ऑफ कंप्यूटर इन द फार्मेसी, that is the topic behind that. So it is helpful for updating the knowledge, helpful in decision making, and help for the future plan. These are the three types of objective which is studied under handling and use of the data processing equipment. Now, first of all, we see the anatomy of computer. Anatomy of computer means it will be divided into two types. Those are called hardware and software. The anatomy of a computer further divided into two types. That means what is a hardware and what is a software. So, in case of hardware include mechanical, electrical and electronic part of the system. Mechanical, electrical and electronic part of the system that is comes under the hardware system. So in another word, the all physical part of the computer system are collectively called hardware. What are the parts of a computer comes under this point? These are monitor, mouse, keyboard, printer, microprocessor and motherboard. These are the part of a computer in pharmacy. Second is सॉफ्टवेयर. द सॉफ्टवेयर जैसे वर्ड शो करता है, दैट मीन्स द सॉफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. इन दैट collection of different programs, the collection of different programs. These are help for contact person between human and computer. Computer का ये system that will make a relation between a human who will be using the computer system and user. The methods and program used to create link between human and computer is called computer language. Computer language means computer language आपके साथ जब कोई भी मेथड है या प्रोग्राम है, इट विल बी क्रिएट ए लिंक between a human and the computer, that is called computer language. Now come to the point hardware. Hardware is a computer system which further classified like CPU. CPU means central processing unit. Second, peripheral. Now the next point, that what is a CPU? CPU is a processor or a brain of the part of computer system. Brain part of computer system, it will control the unit, controls the memory unit arithmetically and logically. In case of peripherals, it include various devices attached to the CPU. CPU is a brain of the computer which carries control, memory, arithmetical and logical unit. In case of peripheral, the link or the connection CPU with the other devices like input device, output device or software or storage device. Storage device, input device or output device. Input device like keyboard, mouse, light pen, scanner, camera and recorder. In case of output, having monitor, printer or speaker. Monitor may be a colored one or a black and white. Printer, color, inkjet, matrix laser. Speaker. In case of storage device, the storage device store the data, program and software permanently. Main storage devices are hard disk, floppy or compact disk. Means like human brain, computer store information in memory. These are two types: internal or primary memory, external or secondary memory. Internal and primary memory, the pulse rate is called speed of the computer. It is basic unit of storage capacity, like 8 bit 1 byte, 1024 byte 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte 1 megabyte or MB. 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte described in GB. The internal memory of computer is of two types. That means RAM or ROM. The RAM, random access memory; ROM, read-only memory. Now, in the external memory, that is a secondary devices meant for storing program and data that has to be used in later step. For example, floppy disk, hard disk, compact disk or magnetic tape. The another second point under the software of a computer system having system software, application software, utility software and the general purpose software. So in that computer system, those are few main points, that is called Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. In the Microsoft Word, the patient's profile will be here. The patient profile will be here. And the another one is called the preparation of the list of patient indoor, outdoor or particular in the department. Means the object behind this topic. The object is preparation of record for the registration of the patient in hospital using Microsoft Excel worksheet, registration of patient in hospital in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. MS Word or MS Excel along with the Microsoft PPT, which are useful to the patients and the pharmacist, or totally collectively we call the use of computer in the pharmacy. Thank you.